Stop overcomplicating your investment portfolio. You don't need 30 or 40 different stocks to build real wealth. You need the right structure. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 powerful Invesco ETFs that together can give you stability, long-term growth, and reliable passive income. These funds are low-cost, diversified, and designed to help you build a simple but extremely effective retirement portfolio. We'll also look at how to combine them based on your age. ETF number 1. The Foundation RSP. RSP is Invesco's S&P 500 equal weight ETF. The fund invests in all 500 companies in the S&P 500, but instead of weighting them by market size like traditional S&P 500 ETFs, it gives equal weight to every stock. This means you're not overly concentrated in mega-cap tech companies, which can improve diversification and reduce concentration risk. The portfolio is also rebalanced quarterly to maintain that equal distribution. RSP launched in 2003 and has delivered around 11% average annual returns since inception. It does carry a slightly higher expense ratio than standard S&P 500 ETFs at 0.2%, which is typical for a more specialized strategy like equal weighting. Because it still tracks the S&P 500, one of the most proven long-term indexes in history, RSP works as a strong core stability layer in a portfolio, offering broad market exposure with a more balanced approach. ETF number 2. Growth Accelerator QQQ. This ETF is one of the most popular among investors, and it tracks the Nasdaq 100 with heavy exposure to innovation and technology. Industry leaders like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon are major holdings. Historically, it has delivered some of the strongest long-term returns in the market, averaging over 20% annually in the past decade, while maintaining a relatively low expense ratio of 0.18% for a growth-focused fund. This is the ETF that drives portfolio growth and keeps you invested in the companies shaping the future economy. ETF number 3. Preservation and Income SPHD. Most people misunderstand what safety really means in investing. True safety isn't just holding cash. It's owning cash flow producing assets that continue to grow over time. That's exactly what this ETF is built for. This fund focuses on high dividend, low volatility stocks, with holdings that often include established companies like Pfizer, Verizon, and Altria. Its objective is to generate steady passive income while also helping reduce portfolio swings during market downturns thanks to its more defensive stock selection. Since inception, it has delivered average annual returns of around 9%, with a moderate expense ratio of 0.3%. One of its biggest attractions for investors is its roughly 4 to 5% dividend yield, which is paid monthly, creating consistent cash flow. This ETF serves as your defensive and income pillar, providing stability while accelerating long-term compounding through regular monthly dividends. How to combine them by age. Age 35 to 45 growth focused. At this stage, time is your greatest advantage, which means you can afford more market volatility in exchange for higher growth potential. A strong allocation could be 50% QQQ, 30% RSP, and 20% SPHD. This setup prioritizes long-term growth while still maintaining a solid core foundation and a smaller income component to provide some stability during market swings. Age 45 to 55 balanced. At this time, the goal begins to shift toward greater balance and risk control. A suggested allocation could be 35% QQQ, 40% RSP, and 25% SPHD. You're still positioned for solid growth, but your core and income allocations become stronger, helping to reduce volatility and smooth out market cycles while continuing to build wealth. Age 55 plus, preservation and income. At this phase, preserving capital and generating steady income takes priority over chasing maximum growth. A balanced allocation could be 20% QQQ, 40% RSP, and 40% SPHD. You still maintain some growth exposure, but now your portfolio is designed to protect your wealth while providing regular income. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more investing insights.